Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. This channel provides basics of finite element analysis and computer-aided mechanical engineering design and analysis using CAD-related software. Let's get started.
This is a vice and this will be done using SolidWorks, right? This is for beginners practice and exercise number 10. Okay, let's see the drawing and let's get started. By seeing the model, it appears that it is better to draw from the front plane, right? So starting from this one, we're starting from part. Okay, and we're starting from front plane, normal to, right? So you see the drawing. Initially we'll draw the object without having any kind of dimensions. At random we'll draw it. Okay, starting from lines, sketch lines, let's draw up to this one. Next we can draw, okay, let's put smart dimension to this one. Okay, the total length, base length is 180 millimeter. Okay, smart dimension 180 millimeter. Now the height at both ends are different. Right hand side height is 55 millimeter. And this one equal to 30 millimeter. This one equal to, from this one to this one equal to 35 millimeter. This part equal to 4 millimeter. And from here I have to draw another line. Let's draw the line. This distance equal to 32 millimeter. Start from smart dimension. This is 32 millimeter. And its height from the base equal to 80 millimeter. Let's take the smart dimension and height from here to that point equal to 80 millimeter. Right. Next one, see the drawing that here at this point we have to draw one arc, right? Arc of radius 28 millimeter. So what can you do is, from here we can come down to a level of 28 millimeter and draw an arc from there itself. That will be tangent to this part also, right? So we make a line. And let's check the distance from here to here. It should be 28 millimeter as shown in the drawings. This one will be acting as a center for this arc. Okay, Smart dimension is 28 millimeter. Okay, now let's draw the arc from this point. So this part is unwanted, you can trim it out. This is also not wanted, you can trim it out. This is our drawing actually. I think drawing part is complete. Let's see something else. Yes, this part you have to trim it out again. We have to make a closed object. Now the object is closed, we can extrude this part, right? Drawing is complete, green check. Now let's see the drawing. We have to extrude to a depth of 70 millimeter. Okay, exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features, extrude boss base. Extrusion should be from the mid plane and to a depth of 70 millimeter. Okay, done. Okay, now we have to draw from this left plane, right? Select the plane, normal to. Now let's draw it from the left hand side. We're drawing at random. Now let's draw a smart dimension to this one, right? Smart dimension from this edge to this line equal to 20 millimeter. This vertical height is also 20 millimeter. This is 5 millimeter. And this height is also 20. Now the drawing is complete. Now we have to make a mirror of this part, right? So exit from the sketch, mirror entities. It is asking to select the objects which are selected. Now mirror about the central line. Mirror is done, green check, right? So exit from the sketch and that to be extrude cut. Select the sketch again, features, extrude cut. And cutting should be done up to the next surface. Green check, cutting is done, right? Okay, fine. Now right hand side also have to do some modifications. That means one semicircular or semi-cylindrical portion will be there, right here at this point. Now we see the location. From this point we have to move off 25 millimeter, then only we have to get the center line, right? Select that plane, normal to. Let's check that one. So from here 5 millimeter away we have to make the center line. Okay, you can check here, this line is there. This is actually one reference line. We have to make some center lines. From here 25 millimeter away we have to make another center line. Let's check the distance. Smart dimension, it should be 25 millimeter. Okay, now here we have to draw one cylindrical portion, right, of radius 15 millimeter and inside diameter 30 millimeter. So to draw two circles, radius 15 first, one semicircle exit from smart dimension. And another circle of diameter 30. Now let's put smart dimension to this one. Let's see the drawing. The inside is having diameter 15. Inside is having diameter 15. Smart dimension, diameter will be 15 millimeter. And outside one, radius is 15 millimeter. Complete. Next one, you have to complete this drawing. That means it should be continuous, so some lines you can trim it out. This is not required. You have to complete this part. This will come down up to this baseline. Okay, join up to this one. Okay, the drawing is complete. Now we can trim out some unwanted portions. Like this part, we can trim it out. And also these center lines are not needed. We can cut these parts. We can make this drawing later on. Okay, first make this whole part. Drawing is complete. Green check, exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features extrude boss bead, that to extruded up to a depth of 30 mm backside. It's done, right? Green check. Now here at the same location you have to draw one circular portion, right? Select that plane, normal to, draw the center lines. Draw a circle of radius, diameter 15 mm. Smart dimension 15 mm. Done. Exit from the sketch. Select the sketch again. Features extrude cut. That we cut up to next. Done. Green check. Our model is ready. Perfect. So we can see this one in the isometric view. Okay, right? Now to have a better look, we can change the appearance. We can provide this appearance to metallic. Let's provide it this appearance of iron. Matte iron is provided. This part is not necessary, you can hide it. This is a final drawing. And if you like, you can change the background a little bit to make it more bright. So this is our vise. This is ready. So while modeling this one, we learned a little bit of extrude boss base, extrude cut, changing different planes, and mirroring also, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.